hearts full of love, to stay in dreams with all available means, to enjoy their hope.
Looked green, earth was serene, journey to sky was exciting. Fresh wind touching their emotions, and its fragrance was inciting. Clouds were like a layer of ice, soft and their touch was very touching. Full moon in the far horizon, hiding behind clouds, still its light was clutching.
Enjoying their journey in the sky, thought nothing of past and present. They were satisfied and life was complete in that particular moment.
Suddenly there was lightning, change of wind making them scared. Lost their balance, peace of mind, but stood as paired. Faced their slide from sky in a fast speed, and closing their eyes, their descent became smooth. Fear was gone and thoughts were wise. Returned to ground and took shelter till the lightning was clear. Started walking back to the house as it was very near.
What a wonderful sight it was, and memories full of togetherness ever lasted till the time decided to go again. With all